If you are not making money online, you need to stop sleeping on this. You need to learn these high income skills so that you can start earning money online. Stop sleeping on digital marketing, guys. This is an amazing opportunity. And if you didn't know, Forbes had just announced that digital marketing is the #1 industry in 2024. And it will be a $1.5 trillion business by 2030. So why not learn those skill sets today? If you're new here, my name is Shirley. I'm a busy boy mom and wife. And I started digital marketing, guys, as a complete beginner. I knew nothing about digital marketing. I started with 0 experience and 0 followers. But let me tell you guys, I was super determined. I was so determined to be a stay-at-home mom. I was tired of losing time with my son. I wanted a program that was beginner friendly, that was going to be able to walk me step by step. And I didn't want to just purchase a course to sell a course. I wanted to learn these high income skill sets. I wanted a legit way, a proven blueprint. And this is when I found this program. This program has allowed me to be able to quit my 9-to-5 in less than 6 months, guys. Literally changed my life. And will forever change my life. Guys, in this program, taught me the skills and how to set up my business on automation. That just means that my business is working for me 24/7 in the background so that I could enjoy more time with my son and my husband, more time in doing the things that we enjoy doing. I don't have to be stuck at a 9-to-5 job. I don't need to be glued to my phone to earn money. I have truly gained back my time. I have truly gained financial freedom with my family. Like, I love that this program is teaching many families how to work smarter and not harder. And the great thing is, you don't need to cold call any customers. You don't need to message customers, talk to customers. Guys, this is a rejection-free business. It's not an MLM, and it's definitely not a freaking pyramid scheme. I earn 100% profit, and it goes directly into my bank account. I don't have to wait weeks, 14 days, or months to get paid. Can do it, so can you. Stop your limiting beliefs. Stop overthinking this. So if you're ready to push yourself, if you are ready to get out of your current financial situation and you're ready to turn July around and make July the best month ever, or better yet, make the rest of 2024 the best year yet, I want you to put me in the comments, and I would absolutely love to share more information with you.